Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make light skin tone. For this we need a container, a brush, some water, some yellow orche color, white color and burnt sienna or brown color. So let's get started. For this, first we will take one part of white color, one part of burnt sienna or simply brown color, like this, and one part of yellow orche color, and mix all these colors. And here is our light color, skin tone color is ready. Let me show it to you by applying on paper. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, as most of you people do not subscribe to my channel. Please do it, as I also get motivated to make more such videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And the most important, here is our skin color, light shade.